Hello, Gojo.
Ew, what are you? Get out of my room.
Tukuna. I'm finally back, and it's been a very long time since I shot something. But yes, I'm back on YouTube, and today we are trying Doki Doki K wigs, which I've never ordered anything from there, so I'm very excited. So I ordered from Doki Doki 2 months back. I don't even remember what wigs I've ordered, so it's a surprise for me as well. So if you ever want to buy wigs or something from somewhere, this is the video where you might try to finger don't finger. You might want to figure out like कि किधर से मंगाना चाहिए. So this is me trying wigs from Doki Doki. But first, I need to become boy. Let's go. I'm back and I'm an egg now. अभी ये दोनों में से let's choose a package. Which one am I feeling more? This is more heavy. This one. So let's open this. Okay, so first one. Don't tell me a front laced here. It's the front laced.
Bubby.
I'm your dad. I'm your son.
Okay.
No, you have to.
Bubby.
Ooh, and it's long. It's actually front laced. Oh my god, it's my first front laced wig ever. Dude, I'm so excited. It's like synthetic wig, it's not like real hair. Can you see this? Okay. Should we try it? I'm so excited. But my background is pura kala, so मेरे को दिखेगा नहीं. No! Oh my god! This is insane. Oh my... I can part it however I want. Okay, wait, let me tuck this in maybe so you can get like a better view. I cannot wait to cut it and style it. Oh my god, I haven't seen myself in long hair in so long. No pun intended, but Crystal with long hair. Oh, wow. This is such a nice wig. Wait. There are like knots, but it's not that visible. It's really in good quality. I don't remember how much I bought it for, but if I find it, I'm gonna. But yes. So this was my first ever front lace wig. Okay, next wig. First वाला ये खोलता है. I mean second वाला ये खोलता है. My bad. Okay, so this is the Hinata wig. Oh, it's very long. It needs to go thoda पीछे. So the heavy. It needs a lot of styling actually, not a little. Me in indigo hair. The bangs I do not like. It's very choppy and it's not framing my face. So I might cut some himes. But as is, Doki Doki, love it. It's my first time buying wigs from Doki Doki. I've been trying to buy wigs from Doki Doki for like 2 years now and I finally got it. So yes. So this is for my Hinata cosplay. So like stay tuned if you want to see me cosplay as Hinata. So yes. Stay tuned. Next. Okay, next. It's very lightweight. Let me see. Oh, it's a short wig. And it's black. It's a short black wig, which I don't need. Wait out. No! Oh. What is this? I look goofy, bro. What the fuck? Why did I get this? For what character did I get this? For Yuta?
You know what?
Let's just not deal with this. Let's just move on because what is this? Why did I get this? इसको bye bye. मैं रिंग में अटक गया. I was gonna pretend.
We do not care.
It's a slick back. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Ah. Okay, wait. I'm so excited. Wait. Wow, it's giving Barbie. Okay. Do you see these waves? Do you see what's going on? Ah! My god. Am I giving Barbie? Wait. This is gorgeous. Oh, wait.
I feel like a Barbie.
Oh my god. Dude, my fucking mic is on.
Where the fuck is my mic?
Meanwhile, flashback.
ठीक है यार, whatever. तो first package का हो गया है. Now अभी second package. The last one, unfortunately. What the hell? My mic just fell. I don't know when, but I'm sorry. ठीक है यार. I mean, एक साल के बाद मैं अगर YouTube वीडियो डाल रही हूँ, then imagine my whatever. But don't tell me you couldn't hear me all this time. I'll get another mic. BRB. Okay, I'm back. I feel like a Disney princess. Nothing more less than a Disney princess. Like Prince. Like I'm like in a coma. Come kiss me. Do not. Do not. I'm just kidding. No, I am kidding. Do not kiss me. Ew. Next. Which one should I get? सब dark है यार. सब dark wigs मंगाए मैंने. I did not get anything interesting. I should have got something interesting. What the hell is this? It's just black. We go pan for pan. Fuck that. We go M for M. Anyways, it has a ponytail. And second, it's slick back. What is this? I have no idea. I'm so confused right now. What the fuck is this? Is this supposed to be Ghetto from JJK? But what is this? The wig quality is lovely though. It's insane. I love how there's like no stray hairs or anything. Hairs? Hair. There's no stray hair anywhere. Questionable. Wait, maybe I'll take my clip. I don't know what's going on. Am I giving ghetto? Ghetto? Ghetto. Is this ghetto? Is this ghetto? Oh, I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata. Ra-la-la-la. Is it giving Tukuna? It's giving big brain. Oh my god. What is this? What is this video about? What is going on? ये क्या हो रहा है? Is it supposed to be ऐसा? It's giving now. I'm so sorry. I did not figure out. Can you see this? It comes pre-styled.
ये एनाइम हेयर स्टाइल रहता है ना, आपके मुंह पे बाल रहेगा तो बहुत एनाइम हेयर स्टाइल दिखता है.
Now that I figured it out, कि I wore it the wrong way. I was wearing it ऐसे, and I was like, what the fuck is this? And now that I did this,
Gojo? Like, is it giving Gojo?
This is insane. ये क्या होते जा रहा है ये? I'm getting more wigs from Doki Doki now. I mean, it takes like 2 months to get to you, but like I think it's worth it. I paid customs पहले से ही, but आने के बाद भी I had to pay more 700 rupees. But I think it's worth it, bro. I mean, it comes pre-styled. You have to barely like fix it maybe. ये कब से ऐसे लाइट आ रहा है क्या तुम? Oh my god, I'm so unprofessional. Now sadly this is like the last wig we have. It's dark green. I know what character के लिए I ordered this. I think this is for Maki.
Maki wig.
I got the wig for Maki. Should I cosplay Maki? Do I have the body for Maki? Is it giving Maki? Can I cosplay Maki? Or should I hit the gym more and get my muscles all pumped and shit and like, you know, then cosplay Maki? Green, dark green, sage, I don't know what green, forest green wig. Ugh. क्या आँख में जा रहा है? See, I hate short wigs because you're a stylist. It's not right. ये short wigs का यही I don't like. I don't know how to style these. I might have to style it. गिर जाऊंगी यार. अगर मैं पूरा wig इतना कर रही हूँ तो मेरे को दिख रहा नहीं है. Like am I giving marks? Send motivation, bhai. Send motivation for me to go to gym. Oh my god, wait. It has a scalp shade ka scalp partition, which is like scalp shade. Like it's very skin shade. I mean, क्या बोल रही हूँ यार? Influencer. Oh shit, I did not realize. बाकी wigs का मैंने देखा ही नहीं मैंने. Influencer. But यार, yeah, I really like the wigs from Doki Doki. Unfortunately, this was the last wig I have from Doki Doki. There's no more. So I should probably become not bald now. Wait, let me just. My hair is back. So, yeah. Oh my god, I shared about myself as a randomly. That's crazy. But yes, that's how you got to know me now. So these are all the wigs I tried from Doki Doki and I feel like I really like them. This was the first time I ordered anything from Doki Doki, especially wigs. So if you're from India like me and you're getting wigs from Doki Doki, it's gonna take you 2-3 months to get it. But I feel like waiting for the wigs, it's actually worth it. I really like them and I might buy more. It's a little expensive, but I think it's like worth the penny if you like keep them अच्छे से. Especially the front laced one. Oh my god, it blew my mind. I've never owned a front laced wig, so this was like the first time I have a front laced wig, and it's so nice. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I might get like more colors in the front laced wig ones. So yes. If you want to know more about me or something, I'm just repeating myself now. So let me know. I'll be happy. So yes, this was my trying Doki Doki wigs. This was cut.
Next 7.
So yes, this was me trying Doki Doki wigs for the first time. Hey, cut.
Take 32.
So this was me trying.
Cut it. Take 57.
So yes, this was me trying wigs from Doki Doki for the first time, and I found really great ones, and I'll buy more. If you want more videos from me, let me know in the comments or on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I love you.